Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Mixpanel for onboarding funnel tracking. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with installing Mixpanel for onboarding funnel tracking, first, log into your Mixpanel account. If you don't have an account, sign up for one on the Mixpanel website. Once logged in, create a new project specifically for your onboarding funnel tracking. Next, navigate to your project's settings. In the Settings menu, you will find your project token. Make sure to copy this project token, as it will be needed for the integration. Now, open your application's code editor. Locate the file where you manage your analytics scripts. If you're using JavaScript, you can integrate Mixpanel by adding the following script to your HTML. Include the Mixpanel library link before the closing /head tag. After the Mixpanel library is loaded, initialize Mixpanel using the project token you copied earlier. Write the initialization code as follows: mixpanel.init, your _project token. Now, set up the tracking for your onboarding events. Identify the key events you want to track in your onboarding process. Common events to track include user signups, feature introductions, and specific actions users take. For each event, add the tracking code in the appropriate place in your application. For example, when a user signs up, you can use mixpanel.track, user signed up. Make sure to provide relevant properties for each event to gather more insights. This is done using an object, like this: mixpanel.track, event name, property 1, value 1, property 2, value 2. After you've added tracking for all necessary events, perform thorough testing. Test each event trigger within your application to ensure they are logging correctly in Mixpanel. You can check this by navigating to the live view in your Mixpanel dashboard. Once you have confirmed everything is working, publish your changes to your. Lastly, monitor your Mixpanel dashboard regularly to analyze the onboarding funnel data. This will help you optimize your onboarding process over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.